Hi y'all. Today I'm going to be making a chocolate zucchini bread because my husband, he's working on a house and the lady brought in some chocolate zucchini bread for their break with the coffee. And he was telling me about it and he liked it real well. He said it was good. I usually make just regular zucchini bread. Anyways, yesterday he brought home 2 zucchinis and she had handwritten the recipe for me. Well, I was going to do it, but it calls for 2 ounces of German chocolate baker squares, and I don't have that. So I found a recipe that's actually almost identical to it, except for it uses cocoa and then a fourth of a teaspoon of baking powder. That's the only difference. Everything else is the same. So I'm going to make it with the cocoa, and if he doesn't like it as well, I know I'm going to have some zucchini coming off, so I'll make another batch with the baker's chocolate. Okay, now that I have my zucchini peeled and grated, I've put 2½ cups of flour in here, a ½ cup of cocoa, a teaspoon of salt. Now I'm going to add a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of ground cinnamon, baking soda, cinnamon, a quarter of a teaspoon of baking powder, all right, and I'm going to mix that up, stir that together. Incorporate it. And then I am going to add this mixture, the liquids, which is 2 cups of sugar, a cup of oil, and 3 large eggs, and 3 teaspoons of vanilla. That's heavy. Hope this turns out good. You know, he likes nuts. Maybe I ought to put some walnuts in his. He really likes nuts in his bread. And it says 2 cups of zucchini. I've got about 3 here. About like that. I'll stir this in, and then I'm going to put some nuts in it too. I should have stirred that up first. I wasn't thinking. I need to turn the handles here. Am I in frame? Yeah. Looks good. This is going to make 2 loaves. And I got to get down in there. I should have stirred the eggs and stuff first. I knew better. Why I didn't, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to stop this here. I'll be right back. I'm going to get some nuts for this. Okay, I got my nuts. Just going to sprinkle some in there. He likes lots of them. The more the better, he always says. And I have my oven heated at 350 degrees. All right. Looks good. Oh boy. There's one. Have to just about even. And I did spray my bread pans with cooking spray. All right, I'm gonna put it in the oven at 350 degrees. I'll move this up. It's ready to go. See how long to set my timer. Okay, it says 350 degrees, 50 to 55 minutes until a toothpick's inserted in and comes out clean. Cool 10 minutes before removing to a wire rack. So I'll be back when it's finished and I'll let you know how it tastes. I just took them out of the oven. They stayed in there, I think it was about 50 minutes, and the toothpick came out clean when I inserted it. Looks really good. Let you know in a little bit after it cools how it tastes. Hey, he's gonna take a bite of it. Tell me how it is. Good?
It's okie dokie, pretty
Okay.
good, Mom.
All right. He says it's good. There y'all go.